section is how I pulled my chess data for my data set that I used to analyze. Basically, I went to the published API information, or the API documentation, as people would say, of chess.com's application, and this is the application I use to actually play my or run my chess games. I read through their glossary or their index and basically access the endpoints for the API that I think are specifically useful to me. Like I would say maybe stats or profile or player online status. So you click onto stats, and then inside of this, it tells you like the URL patterns that you can run to intercept your API information. Obviously, altering your username and maybe alternating things like date and time or specific confinements of the game that you're looking for. Here would be the typical layout of information that you would be getting. So you'd get chess, and then it would tell chess dailies, and then it'll tell you like a static object of like maybe your chess and daily time class. And I went through here and obviously found the information that I felt which was most necessary for me. After getting that, I then brought it over to Postman, which is the application that I use to pull endpoint and information. I had originally tried to do this programmatically, but because of GDPR, you need to have a trusted source or declare to chess.com's API that you are a trusted source to pull information for read-only purposes. So using Postman, I think Postman have that granted access. And then down here is like a typical format of how it would be laid out. I exported this JSON file and then moved it over to AWS.